All right, so we're going to go ahead now and add in the elements that will be the clickable part of your interactive PowerPoint. So I am going to go with, from the graphic organizer, I'm going to go with zodiac sign. So there are a couple ways you can do this. You can add in like buttons. So if you want to add in a button, you can go to insert, shape. And then for mine, you can do any shape you want. I'm just going to use a rectangular shape with these soft edges. And then for my text, I would just type in like zodiac sign. Then, of course, you would need to format that. So click it, and you would go to shape format, and then that's when you can change your colors, change the font, change the size, add a border, blah, 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 blah. Make it look good. So if you choose that method, once you get it formatted how you want it with your colors and your text and all that, all you have to do is click it, Control C to copy it, Control V, paste it, and then change your text. So maybe my next one would be birthstone. And then you could copy and paste it again. So in the end, you would have 5 different clickable boxes. Don't worry necessarily about the placement of them yet, because I'll explain that to you in a second. For now, just get those in there. Or your second option is to do graphics. So if you want to do graphics, then I would recommend going to Google, search up, let's just try it. Let's see what happens. Let's search up zodiac sign. I'm on images. Okay, so here you could find whatever you want, either your personal zodiac sign. So I'm a Leo, so maybe I'm going to just type in Leo zodiac sign and see what comes up. Okay, so maybe I want to use this one, Leo. Ugh, nope, there's a watermark, can't use it. Ooh, this one's kind of a good one. All right, so maybe I want to use this one. So I am going to right click. I think you can just hit copy image. Let's try this. Copy image, get on your slide and paste. Oh, and it's not working. Okay, I finally went in, so I just had to resize it. Be careful though, because if you do images, remember your images have to align with one another. So you can't have like some realistic pictures and some clip art. So it might be a good idea just to kind of get the same ones to choose clip art, which I just went to tools, click that, and I went to right here. It says, type, and you can select clip art there. And then if you do that for all of them, then that's probably a good idea. That way you will have all clip art images. Okay, so go ahead now and add in all of your elements. At the end, you will have 5 because it's the same 5 that you chose from your graphic organizer. So pause me now and do that. Okay, so I've got my 5 elements in there. So now is where you have to make your decision. You have to decide if you want to make your PowerPoint interactive to where when you click on either your clickable text box or your image, do you want to stay on the same slide, or do you want it to take you to, do you want it to link to another slide? So let me show you those examples.
Here is another one that uses icons this time. So when you click the icons, it stays on the same slide, but the information pops up, and then you can just navigate between the different icons.
All right, so that was the example of when you click it, you stay on the same slide. Now I'm going to show you the example of when you click it and it takes you to a different slide. But anyways, I wanted to learn about evacuate. You would click it. This one would take you to a whole new slide where the information could be found. And then after you're done reading that, you click it and it takes you back to the original slide. So now that you've made your decision, if you are choosing to click your element and the information appear on the same slide, go to the next slide in this tutorial, which should be slide 6, and watch that tutorial. If you are choosing to click your element and take you to a new slide, then go to slide number 7. I'm going to do 2 different tutorials so you don't have to watch the method you don't choose.